This is my iPad Air 2 Gen 2. And this released last 2014. I bought this noong 2015. And apparently, it surpassed its lifespan. So, did a quick Google search. And it says that its lifespan lasts from 2014 to 2022. And it's now 2023. And I guess this guy has served its purpose. Hindi na siya nag-on, by the way. He has become my busking buddy, lyric reader buddy, ano ba, songwriting buddy. I guess this is time for an upgrade. Actually, when I had the iPad Air 2, I forgot to mention that I also worked at Samsung's R&D way back. So, ganun ako ka-badass. Like, I'm testing Android, Samsung tablets and phones. Tapos, bumili ako ng iPad. This year, I think I'm gonna join the Android bandwagon. Welcome to my first impressions and unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So I'm gonna use this mainly for productivity, video editing, and music production. Let's see if it can handle all of those things. If you subscribe, yeah, we're gonna please subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of video series about this tablet. So let's get started. So welcome to our unboxing. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So it's a bit in the middle of the S7 and the S8, if I remember my research right. So medyo mahirap siyang buksan. And as you can see, nahirapan ako. I had to find perfect lighting to unbox this product. And wala akong kuko. I cannot open the sticker. And now, I think I'm having an easy time opening it. It should open right now. There we go. Come on, Lek. You can do it. There we go. It's such a shiny, shimmering tab. So I looked at it for a couple of seconds and voila. I saw the quality is so nice for an FE. Even though they downgraded some of the parts, the product looks very, very sturdy. It looks premium. The shiny matte finish, I love it. And it's so, yeah, I can see myself from there. Nice. And it's so thick, man. It's thick. It's thicker than my iPad Air 2. It also comes with the usual stuff. The Samsung Care paper and the SIM ejector tool. I don't know. Oh, it's that fast charging thingy. I think that's a 15-watt charger if I remember right. It also has it has the S Pen, okay? Oh right, we have the S Pen. Nice. And you can magnetize it there. Yeah, let's turn it on. I also forgot that there's a USB cable included. I forgot to put it out of the box. See, I'm such a noob unboxer. But yes, we're done with unboxing, okay? Let's go to the next spot. Holy shit, the screen is actually good. I can live with 60 hertz. I don't get the hype. But yeah, not bad for a TV display. As you can see, the small screen inch increase really makes a big difference.
Wait a minute!
And we're back with another episode of Before You Buy, that show where we give you some straight up gameplay. And
Wow, ang sarap manood dito.
Beautiful, near
Sheesh.
flawless thing where
Okay, I'm sold. I am sold.
Like the messy
So for our next test, we are going to use Samsung DeX on this. So I have my green mouse here already connected to this tablet. And all you need to do is just swipe down here. And we go to DeX mode. Here's where the magic happens. And by the way, I have a green connected here. It's somewhere there. Ayan. So it's already connected to HDMI. And we can see the outputs. And there, it's now a desktop. And if we're gonna look at my screen, holy shit! Holy fucking shit! We are in desktop mode. I am so happy. Look at this shit, mine. And then we can do some stuff here. Oh, what? I'm using this as a desktop. So ito yung parang my computer, apparently. Oh, do I double click? Whoa! Okay, now we're gonna try the second screen function of this tablet. So let me just open my Windows real quick. Okay, control Windows K. There we go, connect. So if you see here, where do we connect? There we go. Oh, we can. Holy shit. Oh shit, here you go, here you go. Are you gonna connect? Are you gonna connect? No, no. Holy, oh shit. Ooh. Oh wow. Wow. Now we have 3 screens. Holy shit. So this is a quick video test of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. And I could say, yeah, pasado na yung pasado yung quality. But it's not as spectacular as the other flagship tablets out there. And what I also like about the camera is right here in front of me, not like here on the iPad na nandito sa side, which looks awkward when you go on a Zoom call tapos naka-horizontal yung tablet nyo. And yeah, if you want a wider depth of field, sadly this doesn't have any wide lens, so just buy a cheap lens clip from Lazada, I guess. Just put it here like this, and there you have a wide. You have a wider view. But yeah, sorry for the messy room. Pagpasensyahan mo na. So let's talk about media transferring and video editing here in the Samsung Tab S7 FE. And I gotta say, it's actually a breeze. As you can see here in my screen, I have 2 My Files windows open in Samsung DeX, and I was able to copy and paste my raw video files just fine. So in terms of the CapCut experience in the tablet app, I would say you'll get along just fine with the app, except for the part that you can't really transfer all the keyboard shortcuts that you know from the PC version to the tablet. Like for instance, I kept on pressing Control B on the keyboard without even realizing that, oh yeah, I'm in the tablet. So I have to click on the split button in the tablet app. But that's just one of many examples that I've had with editing a 1-minute YouTube short. And another one I think is the subtitles. Whenever I wanna edit a subtitle in the tablet app of CapCut, it sort of bugs out. So it doesn't really update my captions. Instead, it adds up. And it doesn't really replace the one that I wrote. So the workaround that I did was I had to delete the caption and then add it again. So that was a bit of a hassle. So exporting a vertical video that is set to 1080p 30 frames per second will take you at an average of 40 seconds. And based on this test that I did, it finished at around 38 seconds, which isn't bad. Okay, so for my overall thoughts, I'm gonna mix it up with English and Tagalog kasi pagod na yung utak ko sa kakaisip in English. So here it goes. To be fair to Apple, maganda yung longevity nila when it comes to their devices. Like, pang matagalan siya. The problem that I have with Apple is they are so slow to innovate. Alam nyo ba, matagal ko nang hinihingi lang sa kanila na sana nagkaroon sila ng software update na pwedeng gawing secondary monitor yung tablet without installing any software from other third parties, tapos yung karamihan may bayad pa. Like, buti pa to, si Samsung nag-effort na pwedeng gawing second screen yung tablet mo, ganon. Bayan? If you're gonna get into the tablet market, I would highly suggest hop into the Samsung bandwagon because they actually did a good job with DeX. At ito pa lang yata yung tablet na nakita ko na maganda yung presentation ng desktop mode niya compared sa mga other tablets na binge-watch ko over the weeks of deciding if I should really get this tablet. So ayun, I think the budol was really worth it. Tapos naalala ko rin pala yung post ni Nomad Finance Girl. I don't know if you guys follow her on Facebook. She talks about cost of use. Tapos napabalik ako sa iPad Air 2 ko. Kung magkano ko siya binili. Parang 25,000 yata nung medyo bago-bago pa siya. And then I divided it by the number of days I had it with me. So parang lumalabas ay parang 8 pesos per day ko siya ginagastusan. So parang totoo nga yung kasabihan na pag mas ginagamit mo, mas nagiging mura siya. Ganon. Ayun, that's also the driver na napadecide din ako na bumili talaga ng Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Kasi magaan din siya at madaling dalhin. Kasi kami ng jowa ko ay parehong lakwatsero at lakwatsera. So might as well invest in something portable para hindi ma-overweight sa luggage pag ka-check-in ng mga bagahe, di ba? Ganun. At minus 12k din yung discount ko sa Lazada. I got so lucky, guys. Sobrang swerte ko. Like, ang dami kong listahan of gadgets that I wanted to buy. And then I saw this tablet, parang ito na yung naging all-in-one solution ko. So I didn't need to spend on a separate mini monitor for my laptop. I also considered going with the iPad Pro or kahit yung Air 2 na mas bagong generation yata. But yung problema is wala siyang yung pencil. Itong Samsung Tab S7 FE may kasama ng pencil, yung S Pen, di ba? I don't need to spend like over 5,000 pesos over a pencil. It's not really, hindi siya worth it for me kasi hindi naman ako ma-drawing. Like, hobbies lang ako. Hindi ko naman siya gagamitin na pantrabaho. Siguro pang take down notes lang. At kung sipagin ako gumawa ng mga sarili kong Twitch emotes, ganun. But in the long term, really? It's too soon. Is this thing on? So, for the record guys, I can't hear any monitors from my fine K658 microphone. But I think it's working because the UI here detected the external mic that I connected via the USB-C hub. So, this is my bonus test for you guys. So, now you know that the Samsung S7 tablet FE can actually read USB external mics. So that means I could probably get some voiceover rackets. Or maybe even produce a whole song with this tablet. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If I ain't got you, baby. If I Wish 107.
If I ain't got you.
That's why I'm so keen in testing music production in this tablet, and I want to push its limits. Okay. Again, this has been your fake Opalek. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you wanna see next in my next videos. Paalam sa inyong lahat.